Thai restaurant, and they make this wonderful cucumber sauce. So that's what they call it. But she said it's just vinegar, water, and sugar. But it is delicious, and I'm gonna figure out how to make it. Really, really, really so good. I'm gonna pour it on my salad. It's not overly sweet, and it's definitely not sour. It's the perfect mix. So if any of you know how to make this, send it in to me. Well, you would think you are in Thailand with all the fountains everywhere and the flowers. And this is why they call it rain.